In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can show your battery percentage on your Samsung phone. You can simply enable the battery of your phone battery to show next to your battery icon in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, select this option of notifications. On this page, you will have to click on the advanced settings option. On the second option of show battery percentage, make sure to enable this option on. When turned on, your battery percentage will automatically appear just next to your battery icon. As you can see my battery percentage right here. You can also customize to other advanced features on this exact page. That's how easy it is to turn on battery percentage on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.